Let's make nutty, veggie-packed Instant Pot Farro Pilaf using farro, also called emmer berries, from Grand Teton Ancient Grains. I am so excited to partner with them on this recipe. If you're new to farro, don't worry. It's just a whole grain that you cook like any other whole grain. It has a chewy texture and a slightly nutty taste, almost like a heartier brown rice. You're going to absolutely love it in this pilaf. First, soak your emmer berries overnight. Then drain them and toss them in your Instant Pot with a little bit of oil to toast them. Stir in some vegetable broth and then cook at pressure. While the farro is cooking, you have plenty of time to prep and cook your veggies, so you can just toss it all together when it's ready. Even with the Instant Pot, farro does take a while to cook, so saving all your veggie prep for now instead of before you start cooking is really going to help cut the time down on this recipe. In a frying pan, sauté onion, garlic, carrots, and shiitake mushrooms with a little bit of salt until the onions turn translucent. If things seem to be sticking, you can add a little bit of water to get it moving again. Set the veggies aside, and by now your farro should be ready. Drain it and add it to the bowl, along with the veggies, fresh parsley and green onions, and crunchy pistachios. Toss that together with some lemon juice for zing, and your farro pilaf is ready. I hope that this video answered all of your questions for how to make this easy Instant Pot farro pilaf. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I am always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!